Oh, hi everybody. Someone requested that I just solder with this and see what it's like. So I'm just going to try it quick with a bit of copper tube look. Because that's all I've got available at the moment, because actually I'm away from home at the moment, staying in a Premier Inn. So we're going to see if I can solder this bit of pipe. So we're just going to put it on. It's on my battery, so it's on 18 volts. It says here it's put in 20 volts. It's 340 degrees. It's saying it's up to temperature. Okay, so we'll just put it down for a minute. Just going to try a bit of flux on it. Right, okay. Put it back on. Okay. Got my solder. I can find the end. There she is, just there. Okay, which is hot. I don't know how long it will take to solder, but wrong tip really. This is just a standard tip. Unfortunately, I haven't got anything else. I could do with a chisel tip. So let's see if we can try and get some heat in it. Until what I'll do, we'll put it up. Yeah, 390. There we go. And we'll see whether we can try and get it to stick to this copper pipe. Or not. Whoa, that copper pipe's hot. Holy cow. Well, it certainly put some heat into that copper pipe. I mean, crumbs. So it should. I think it's a copper pipe, but it'll be clean enough. I sort of got this at the sort of spare in the moment, really. But I gotta stick a bit more on there. There you go. Look at that. That is pretty good. Look at that. That's at 390 degrees. Melt me thing. There you go. 390 degrees. And that's melted that nice. Look at that. Look at that flowing. Look at that. Can you see that okay? If I just turn it around a little bit. Look at that. I think that's pretty good. Considering how thick that copper pipe is. And that copper pipe is red hot. So that's a good little soldering iron. I'm well chuffed for that. £25 that cost. With shipping. I thought that's pretty good. I mean, you can't moan, can you? I mean, you can even flash the software and change it. So you can go through all the settings on it. But that's pretty good. 390 degrees and that soldered copper pipe. What's that, 3mm thick? Come on, you can't complain with that, can you? I'm very happy. It's got a lovely body. It's lovely aluminium body texture to it. It's really nice. 12 to 20 volts. 18 to 100 watts. It will take. So it's USB-C. Silicone at the end doesn't get hot. If you hold it, you go for the menu. There you go. So you got like tip settings, temperature settings. You can go down, main screen. If we go back to the main screen, information. So, main screen, big numbers. Yeah, perfect. yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. So I hope you like this review, and it's a really good test, I thought, to try and find something really heavy to try and solder. And you're not going to get any heavier than that with a standard tip. I mean, if you put a chisel tip in there, I mean, what are you going to solder? I mean, crumbs. Sky's the limit, really, isn't it? So, big thumbs up. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this review. Hopefully many more to come. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.